the next video. In this video, we are demonstrating another project, and you already know that the project that we are going to represent in our college are mostly based on the problems. So, but nowadays, all these trends are just copying, pasting the projects, not creating a new projects. So, this is in another project. Yesterday, we have uploaded a video. On that videos, we created new project with new ideas, and this another video, second video. In this video, we are also showcase and demonstrating another new project with the new ideas. So this project are solving a problem for the resume. Like uh, if you have a resume and you just applied for the jobs, but you don't know and that what are the missing in your resume, and you just apply directly to the interviewer, or you just directly apply to the company, but you don't know what things are missing in your resume. So this project are solving that problem. Like examples examples like, you have a resume, you just copy the entire resume in just control c and control v, and you just need to paste on this paste option and select the flow. So before starting this complete flow of this project, so if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to our channel, because we have loaded lots of projects and lots of videos with different programming languages, and the complete details of this project you can check from our website updateka.com. Inside this you will find lots of projects with a proper guide and proper setup, so you can check any of the project in which you are interested. For this project, you just need to search the resume AI. Just need to select AI and AI powered career gap analyzer. uh, so just scroll down and you will find all the detail of these projects that we have used, and what are the tools you need required to execute this project. So you can check the complete descriptions of this project from here. Now let's go with the demonstration. This is the complete Python code that we have used. This is a Python file, and this is the application folder. Inside that we have used this template for the home page and the result page, and all the other files that we are used. So you can check uh, the complete flow from that, and this is the database that we are using. So now we are starting this demonstration. After proper setup, you just need to run the command python space app.py. After that, you just need to select the complete demonstrations, add the detail, choose the role, and review the result. First you need to select uh, the roles that you are going to apply. Like I'm selecting the data analyst. So if I have a resume that I randomly just copy and paste from the Google or from anywhere, so I don't know that what skills I missed, or what things I need to add on that resume. So we are solving that problem. This is the data of a resume that I just copy from the Google, and I am checking what the things that are missed inside this resume, and click on the analyze. Okay, now resume match inside. This is the result page where it will show the data after after complete analyze your resume. So it will show all the data. Like this is an best resume, like it's showing the 83% 83% match score means it is a good resume. I will show you the different type of resume that I've just copied from the Google and paste it here. It will show the feedbacks of that resume that they need to add the details on that. So this is the chart, the cover missing. This is the missing skills that this student need to have, and this is the skill table. Like this student has covered Python, SQL, Pandas, Git, and studies, but Power BI is not covered, so it is a miss. As a data scientist, as a data analyst, it should have this knowledge, but he don't cover. Now this is the professional resume draft, like how you can make an resume, and this is the complete format, how this should be like when you're creating a resume, it will show that details also. And this is the complete sample reference. So basically these projects are to filling that gap, like a student don't know the the skill that this student are missed. So you can check another also, or you, if you want to print this page, you can print also. Just select the print, it will show the complete result of that resume. Okay, now I'm just selecting another resume that I have selected from, that I have just copied from the Google. This is a Priya. These are the basic mistakes that mostly fresher students are do, not the expert. Mostly the fresher students do these kind of mistakes. Analyze the student. Okay, I think these students don't have any skills. All these skills are missed. Most of the skills are missed. Like she just only cover these things, and these are the missed skills. Means the main skills she has missed. So the score is 0. So this is an college project. So you can showcase this project to your college and update accordingly. So if you're interested in this project, please check the descriptions of this video. And also if you want to enhance this project or adding more functionality, so you can also let us know, so we can work on that.